Hello everyone, thank you for your attention. It's time to get you ready for takeoff. Now if you'll just follow along with me, we'll be on our way. Welcome aboard. Before we depart, here are some important safety instructions.
Okay, so here we are. Now, once you go through the FAQs and scroll down and test your internet speed with the speed test, you are ready to sign in. Now, this is the host sign in, and I will be the host tonight. I sign in with my first name. You can use any name you want. We're not collecting any information here. And you can go and select the video you want to watch. We just have a couple test videos. When you first sign in, it is a good idea to switch your room to public so friends and other guests can use the public lobby feature. Here's how the public lobby works. The public lobby link is posted on Streamstock's website and Facebook page. When your room is set to public, your guests can hop room to room. A screenshot of your room will appear in public lobby. Anyone can pop into your room just by clicking join. Remember, rooms are limited to 6 friends. If the host needs to kick someone out, they can hover over a window and click the circle with the X. This Thursday, we're going to have the All Pivot experience, which is going to be a great live performance from David Gans and Joshua Raoul Brody. This is going to be a lot of fun. They're playing from Megasonic Studios in Oakland, and it begins at 5 o'clock. And these guys are going to come on in, and they're going to do a little meet and greet with you. They're going to pop in a room and be in one of these windows just like this. So that's going to be a lot of fun. Make sure you check it out and don't miss it. It's a free event. All you have to do is go to Streamstock TV's website and click on the free link, and you'll have a host link all your own. Now, the host link is only for the person who's hosting the room. Now click Invite Friends. This will generate a unique invite link to your room. Copy the link and you can text it, email it, or even put it on social media. Now you're ready to start the show. Click on Guide. Take a moment to locate the live show. Once you start the content, get to know how the audio works. Click Start Audio to hear the main show audio. When you want to start to talk, click Start to Talk. Video volume will be muted on your player only. Your friends can continue to listen to the show while you talk as long as they have Start Audio selected. Try it out. It's like a walkie-talkie. You'll also see there's a little speaker there. That speaker, it will be on each window when your friends pop in. You can mute each other. So if 2 people are really into a conversation, the 2 of them can talk and all the other friends can mute them so they can keep talking and your friends can hear the show. Don't forget that Start Audio and click to talk. Sorry, this was real cool. Took my attention for a second. Now there's also a text chat. Text chat is great to talk to friends. And, you know, if you want to be listening to the music and you don't want to interrupt it for your friends and you don't really want to talk, you just want to say, that was awesome. You can just do a quick little chat like that. Click it on and off to easily bring it on and off. You can also make your video full screen. Now, one thing is your friends will still see you on their chat, so make sure you're behaving yourself. The full screen. Let's give you some audio with that full screen for a second. And as you see, you have control over the volume, up and down. It's your own control, and it won't affect your friend's volume. They control their selves. So they can have it super loud or super quiet, and it doesn't affect their friends at all. Super loud. If you could help donate to Robin Sylvester and support a fund to help raise money for his medical expenses. Robin was a guest early on in Streamstock, and he has so many amazing stories and was such a wonderful guest that could not be any more honored than we are to help raise money for Robin. Now, also, there's a tip jar. Please make sure to tip your artists and donate to help Robin Sylvester. Finally, when your video chat experience is over, say goodbye to your friends, and to end your experience, shut the browser. A pop-up window from Group View will ask you if you're sure you want to leave. Click yes. And you'll see if you have a little light like I do that tells you your camera's running, it will turn off, and that's how you'll know you're completely closed out. But really, you just close down your browser. You're out, you're free, you're done with the show. Come on in next time and have a good time again with your friends. All right, thank you guys so much for listening to this. We really appreciate you joining us here at Streamstock. Peace.